Give me in the face. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another episode of Dirtnation Off-Road. So today we're out at Pilot Rock Truck Trail for our Lunch Money Hill Challenge. Now, hill challenges, we have a lot of fun with these. We've done two before out at Hungry Valley. We did Dirtnation Hill Challenge 1 and 2. We'll link those videos below because those were fire. These events kill it. Looking forward to having a good time today. Now, Lunch Money, we're going to talk about Lunch Money in a little bit. We got a huge group here and some other people on the way. Big old backup on the 15. So got a bunch of people coming through. George is going to do his regular thing. Come around. Yeah. Dude, just get out of here.
All right. So now that
go show him the taco.
Now he's done blabbing.
Sick.
All right. So we're here at Lunch Money Challenge with a bunch of can't do it. So, you know, people don't like being challenged. So we threw out a challenge saying, hey, Lunch Money Hill's here. We don't think many people can make it. So the turnout got crazy. So we're expecting 30, 40, maybe even 50 rigs here to give this hill a challenge. So I don't know. I think maybe this just depends. We haven't seen the hill in a while, so we don't know what it looks like. But once we pull up, we'll be able to see how many people will actually make it. I'm thinking about 4 out of 30, maybe a little bit more. It's just really hard to tell. But I'm gonna walk around, show you guys who's here, and yeah, let's get it.
Damn, it's thick today though. Tacos are hard today. Joey's here. We got, this is the way. Obviously our black tacos here. Tundra's here. My man from AZ came out. It's a guru. You notice the Power Wagon looks a little bit thinner today?
Upgraded.
Yeah. I was like, damn, the Power Wagon lost some weight. Damn, we got Raptor, 4Runner, XJ. Randy's here. Woo, that crawler though. Obviously Billy Goat. We got Tom here. Look at him. Look at him. Hack's here. Melly Mel's running up and in. Emily's here. Look at Jimmy. And the pup. What's up, pup?
Hello.
So he brought the Ram. Another Yoda. Heard that one supercharged. Let's get it. Ooh, Tom. Tom and that clean ass XJ. And then another runner. CR2. Ooh, look at Paul. Paul looking thick.
All right, so you saw the walk around. We're gonna get everybody aired down, get them ready to go, and then we're gonna go hit the gatekeeper, get everybody through there, and start setting up Lunch Money. Let's get it. Before you watch the rest of the video, take a look at the video and let us know who you think is gonna make it, and then let us know if you were right or wrong. Let's get it.
All right, 5 minutes later, we pulled up to the 2N17X gatekeeper because Lunch Money is on 2N17X. This sucker is dug out. Way more than normal. Gonna be a good time. We're gonna have a decent amount of congestion here for a second. Should take a couple hours. We'll get everybody through here, and then we'll continue through, getting on to Lunch Money. This is gonna be a good time. Let's get started. Hey, you're gonna have to talk. I can't hear you. I can't see you.
Right there. Passenger a little bit. Right there. Keep her straight right there.
It's better.
Little passenger, right there. Passenger, right there. Passenger, right there. All the way up. Right there. Driver.
Tranquilo.
Relax.
was right in the edge.
Oh,
And he's stuck.
Get the strap.
Crowd control that. Yeah. Good job cheating, bro. What did Eddie Guerrero say? Not cheating, not trying? Was that what he said? I lie, I cheat, I steal. That's Mexican Tundra Vic right there. That's Paisa Tundra Vic. Nice digging. Hey, whoa.
Right there?
Turn Budo around. No, Budo, no. Turn around. Shit. Nailed it. Here we go. By the way, this is our Subi driver Budo. He bought an XJ. No.
Watch out that front axle, cuz. I'm gonna go up like
Fuck,
that.
did he blow the tranny or what?
I think so.
Oh no!
Eyes on the swivel. Head on the swivel.
Keep going.
All right. Why?
Why'd you let him buy this?
I blame Demo. Demo.
No, hey,
What
no.
the f?
No. You don't have to blame them. You have to blame George because he has one the same.
Hey, you inspired a whole legion of people to buy XJs, George.
We got a 4Runner.
Hey, that's really tight. Holy shit. Neil, why is your truck so long? Oh, by the way, Budo's coming. Hey, stop him! Buro! All right. He didn't listen, George. Oh my f***ing God.
That would be no fucks.
Yes! Who said manual XJs can't crawl? Crawl slowly, I crawl slowly. Relax. Yep.
Ano, bien pinche loca.
There it is. This shit is nice. Valley Mill. Sheesh. Oh, hey, whoa, no! Bye, Emily! Bye, Emily!
buddy!
Give me a recap. What's going on?
Dying.
George is cold as ice, bro. He almost had an XJ land on me. He's just like, stop. I don't know if that's gonna help.
Hey, that'll give you no traction weight.
I heard he got this for $1,500, so send it. But that's just me. Look at the intense focus. Look at the intense focus. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's what's up. That is what's up, man. Woo! Dang, that thing was mean. Is that the same bumper as Flaco has? What's Flaco have? Hey, Flaco, is that the same bumper you have?
Nah, yeah, but mine's a little lower.
That shit's mean. You can put a spare tire right there, right in the slot.
That's some rough car shit.
Is it though? Is it though? Hey, get used to this. This is what Winters is gonna do.
A little bit. He's not locked though, you are.
Yeah, which means my shit's gonna snap. Like that. The Thanos. The Thanos snap.
Hey, we need your ass in there, fool. Yeah, we need a heavyweight.
Tag me in, coach. Here.
Alright, there you go.
Windshield wiper, bro, for the win. Ay.
This way. Turn this way. Come on.
Wow. Now that was pretty dope. What is he squirting? What is he squirting? Look at that.
That's a square.
The windshield wiper.
That's a fucking windshield wiper.
He's all.
Passenger.
Nope.
Passenger.
It is a
Back up a
diesel.
little bit.
Yeah, it's a little four-banger Duramax. Dude, it's like 500 RPM, 600 pounds of torque. Sheesh. Look at the baby.
Rock sliders.
George is back from the dead.
George, passenger.
Look at little Georgie partying. Look at little Georgie. Yeah.
Hey, wait. Come on, that's anyway. You brought the lion today.
Georgie! What's up?
George.
That's good right there. Driver.
Driver.
Very good stuff. Hey, I want to check if Bill and Budo are related.
Come up.
Check the ancestry.com or whatever. I bet. I'm willing to bet.
Keep coming. Passenger.
Here comes. Why doesn't your axles flex? It doesn't flex.
It doesn't need to.
It's a fucking Hot Wheel. Damn, look at that thick ass exhaust though. More power, baby.
Right there.
We're getting closer.
There you go.
No, it's not. Let it slide, let it slide. There it is.
Woo! And this is one of the guys on the side. Go. No pasa nada, señora.
There it is. That's what's up.
That's what we give our boys.
Dang, he's the same color as our new sick ass shirts. Who's wearing one? Oh, Seguro's wearing one.
Watch out,
Ah!
Undercover.
My man said rev limiter. Oh, that was so dope!
Yes?
Full shits, bro. Look at him. Yeah. That's not.
What the hell was that? Hey, we
I didn't hear your limiter. Fucking noodle. Hey, you have a doubler? Figures. Fucking figures. Look at that shit. That's goals. That is goals in life. All right, we're moving now. George is still recording at the other obstacle, but we ran out of space, so we're gonna continue on, finish up. Gonna go about halfway through 2N17X to get to Lunch Money Hill. So we'll do a couple shots and then we'll be there. Let's get it.
Yeah, good. Faster a little bit. Faster. Okay.
Easy money. Sí quema, cuh.
Nah, you better keep it straight right now. Straight. Off the driver a little bit.
A huevo.
There you go. All the way up.
Ya nomás.
Take the right line when you get up there.
Hey.
On the right.
¿Quién dijo que no quema?
Ya,
De
¿verdad?
volada.
Dale ahí. Hazle like this. Espérate. Ahora sí, cierra acá.
Ay, güey.
I don't. This is fucking tires. I'm telling you. Watch. You'll see the big fucking good tire work. Dale, güey. Straight. Right there. All the way up. Little driver. Right there. All the way up. Oh, yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Nice. Hey, ¿dónde están los modelos?
Oh shit, I didn't think you were gonna be here.
No.
Sorry.
The same thing happened last time. Hey, Papa Big.
You have blockers. Use them. I'm giving you the hard line.
God damn.
Come up.
Gosh, she's bad.
Hey, you know you're bad, right?
Es un tacuache, cuh.
Fuck yeah. Iban saliendo del mall en su Bronco colorada.
Passenger. No way.
Passenger.
Pa' acá.
Acá, güey. Traían 100 kilos de mota.
Ahí va, güey.
Iban con rumbo a Tijuana. Ay, güey. No, hombre, se está bien loco.
There it is. Just pulled up the Lunch Money Hill. There is a bypass, which that's where you're gonna see Joey climb up right now. Bullshit. That's what's up. So we'll take a walk up there right now and check it out. But a little bit of backstory on Lunch Money Hill and our history. First of all, right here, besides the nice Tacoma, yes, it's nice. Thank you, appreciate it. Mochi's. This was the first time we came out to 217X. This is where Mochi's had his infamous Cheeto bag incident. If you guys remember that, I'll pop it in.
You got a Cheeto bag on us. Why, done?
That shit fucking threw.
Anyways, Lunch Money Hill. First time we came out here, a couple of us tried it. I broke my rear brake cylinder. Ended up having a breakdown here. We were stuck here for a while getting it fixed and everything. And then a couple of guys tried it. Some of them made it, some of them didn't. George broke an axle. And then we came back another time, and for some reason a bunch of us were able to make it. And then we had some heavy rain, as well as some big vehicles come through here and try the hill. And now it's at its current condition, which is very, very, very dug out. As far as I remember, only 2 Jeeps have made it up the hill in this condition. That's Cameron and Mochi's. Other than that, nobody else has really made it. And it's taken some lunch money, which is why we call it that. That's why we coined it that. But you can see right here, my ding, that was from this hill, me trying to climb it. Didn't expect that big old hole. Fell right into it and smacked the wall. So, like I said, we got the whole team climbing through. Budo, you see your flag mount? It's bent. Anyways, we got a bunch of the team rolling through. I got people parking at the top if they're not gonna try the hill, and then everyone that's gonna try the hill is gonna park off to the side. So, looking pretty good. This should be a good time. Stay tuned. Look at these clowns. Don't try this at home. Oh shit! Are we fucking serious right now? Oh fuck! Hold this. Are we serious? Oh my god! All right, well. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's how hard it is. You just need 2 guys in the back. That's what she said.
All right, here we go. This is the way. The first one, man, it doesn't count. That never happened. Does he get past the first hole? Or he hits it good? Okay. Ah, he did. I told you. I'm so scared. Shut up, Dustin.
Yeah, like that?
You know he's gonna gun it.
I know.
Oh, he made it.
Oh, fuck.
That freaking hole. Dude, he's got the right line right there. See if he gets it. See if he gets it.
Damn, Neil, you look like a savage. Damn.
See if he gets it. See if he gets it. See if he gets it. He got it. Now back up, you're smoking. Hey, back up, you're smoking.
It's gonna be the most unexciting crawl ever. There it is. See, that's what I was talking about, Paul. He was supposed to walk it. That was nice. I got my first set on that.
I got $5. $5.
Welded rear, let's see what it does.
I seen it, but I didn't recognize it.
That bit it? It did not.
He made it. He made it. Shoot! That's what's up. Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
I just lost $10. Fuck. Hey, Dustin!
He was too heavy.
We lost $10.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Look at him. He's ready to party, dog. And we made it extra hard with the sun in your face. Okay, Vic. Woo! Yeah!
There we go.
Yeah!
Oh, wait.
Take back all those claps. Take them back.
Yeah, back up.
One more flight.
There it is.
Get out of the way. Get out of the way.
Hey, watch. There's trucks in front of you.
One shot.
Ah, you lost one right there. One.
Ah, kill it. Engine.
Blue smoke for America. It's like, that's Toyotas. They like oil too.
Sheesh.
He's gonna try it for real? Fuck yeah.
Hey, what's up?
Oh, shit.
No. Go back.
You gotta go back. Go back. Yeah, I want some tell.
Hey, Pedro.
Hey,
Give me an update. How's it going?
but we're gonna rename this thing, Doug. This is not lunch money. This is Toyota here, right here. Look at that Jeep. Not gonna make it.
Flacco hating hard right now. Let's get it.
Dale, diablo! No quema, si quema, güey.
La madre.
Dale, papá, dale, papá.
Oh no, yeah, I ain't do. That's not him.
Hey, Oh, where's Toyota Hill? Exactly. Hey, that's what's up.
37 solid.
Fully locked? Oh, this is gonna be sick. This is gonna be a show right here. Yeah, it was sick for sure. Oh shit, here goes. Oh, there it goes. There it goes, 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 there it goes. There it goes, there it goes. Oh! Oh!
Push the tail out a little more. It's still working though.
He fixed it.
It might be glass.
It's still legal.
Oh, he took. All right, he's ready now. He took it off.
Let me see.
He took his bra off. He's ready.
Titties out. No way.
Go back driver a little bit. Right there. Oh, another mirror. Fuck.
That's the best thing about those.
Oh, here comes Dusty. Damn, look at his toe, dude. The toe's so f***ed up. Hey, why you broken already? You haven't even started.
You already broken.
Look at his toe, pendejo.
Only made it this far. Did break.
Mirror way. Mirror. Right there. Just come up. It has to come up right there. She's climbing. She's climbing. There you go. She's gonna do it. Hey, driver, 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 driver. Right there. Driver, 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 driver. There you go. She's got it. She's got it. Keep going. Hey, hey, stop. No. Back up. Back up. Go, keep going, keep going. That way. Here comes Manny without two Mexicans in the back. Just one in the inside. Does he call it too? Does he call it? Okay.
Did it better this time.
All right, all done here at Lunch Money Hill. Quite a few people made it.
Took his money.
Yeah, Manny collected all the funds that were left at the bottom of the obstacle, but we dug it up for the next crew. So if you guys come through here and you're complaining about how it's dug out, blame us. We're okay with that. But we're gonna continue through 2 and 17X, go see what else Pilot Rock has to offer. Should be a good time, but we got the whole group rolling with us. So probably like 20, 25 people. It's gonna be fun, let's get it.
You're well known on the channel. Big. Make sure you see the guy in front of you. Well, if the guy behind me gets any closer and I fart, he's gonna smell it.
Hey, we got a rollover. We got a rollover. Stop.
Okay.
Alright? Are there kids in there? No?
You okay?
Well, honestly, we could probably just all push it from that side.
Hey, the door, you should close the door.
Attention.
Hey, I'm not gonna jump down there, right?
Nah. Just hold it right there. Make sure you gotta do it quick.
You can go.
Hey, wait. Hold it.
Let go.
There you go. Oh, wait. See? That's what I was telling you to do.
Pull.
3 and 6.
Need another one here?
Justin!
Yeah. You got to fall out. Yeah, I don't know who they are. None of it's mine. I'm holding it up for whoever it belongs to.
That's mine. Perfect. That agenda is better. No, that's Paul's.
Keep it straight. Once you feel the drop on that side, you go past the driver. Derecho, güey, derecho. Derecho. Derecho, 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 derecho. Keep it straight. Back up a little bit and send it a little bit more. Keep it straight. Keep it straight. You need to climb up right here. There you go. Keep it straight. Keep it straight. There you go.
All right, we're about to wrap up 2N17X. Got a couple more hills to do as well as the final obstacle. Then we're gonna turn, start coming down the fire road back to the staging area. But other than the obvious rollover and that stuff, everything else is going. Ay, perro. Look at the f***ing snow. Flaco's out here doing snowball fights. Give me in the face. Ah! Anyways, we're continuing through, doing our thing. You can see the whole group over here. There's everybody. So everybody's making their way.
Hard left! Hard left! Hard left! Hard left, hard right. Got it! Hard right! Hard right! Yeah, look at this dog. Fuck yeah. There you go. You got good spotters there all over the place. Get up, get up. ¡Las chelas, güey! ¡Las chelas! ¡Las chelas, güey! Driver. Driver, 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 driver. Driver, driver. Yeah, boy. Hey, perro. Derecho, güey. Dale, 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 dale. Ahora voy. Driver, 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 driver. Oh, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold it, hold it, hold it. We got you, we got you. Huh? Despacito, take it easy, easy, easy. Easy, easy, easy. One passenger, passenger. Oh, driver, 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 driver. Driver, 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 driver. Era bad. Tell him on the right. All right. Tuyo, 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 tuyo. Our left. Passenger, passenger, driver, 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 driver. There you go, straighten it up. Our driver. Driver, 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 driver. Driver, driver. Ah, la big perro. Straighten it up. Straight. The driver. Driver. All right, go. There you go. Derecho, 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 derecho. ¿Qué hubo? Our driver. Hell yeah. There now, boy. Passenger. Watch out, Dustin. Keep it straight. Straight, straight, straight. No, it's not. Straight.
He missed it.
Keep going, driver. Straighten it up. Keep going, keep going. Passenger. Straight. Driver, 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 driver. Straight, straight.
Keep it slow. There's somebody in front of you.
We'll find it. Driver, 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 driver. Like that. Driver.
You stopped at like the worst spot.
Yeah. Driver. Oh, dale.
That was a belt. Crawl it, here we go.
Got it. Straighten up.
Yes.
Go back up. Déjala.
Man. What? Where's the hole? I know. Oh, where's the hole at?
Back up a little bit. Go hard driver, hard driver, hard driver. Dale, dale. Hard driver, hard driver. Get up, boy.
That's what she said.
Hard driver. Get up, boy. Ahí derecho. Dale.
Hey,
Punch your power wagon.
Hey, what the? What's going on here?
Fucking Mel's doing nuts.
You know Mel's bored.
Passenger, passenger. Get out, boy. Passenger. Out, boy. Free XJ. Out,
It's an XJ party.
XJ party. Woo! XJ party. Driver, 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 driver.
Watch out, flaco.
Dale, güey, dale. Quítate la verga.
Uh-oh. It's gonna be blubber. Hey, chill out. Sad.
Go back, wait. Found our intro.
It was just so quiet and then just dink. There it is.
passenger. There you go. Passenger, passenger. Keep going, keep going, keep going. More, more, more. Oh, driver. Driver. There you go. Now straighten it up. I know. Driver. Passenger. Driver. Straight up like that. Straight up.
So here we go. Tundra Vic's pulling. George is in the driver's seat of the FJ. So we haven't started it yet because he lost a lot of fluid. So we're gonna wait till we get the flat ground and then maybe try and start it then. Yeah, he's a pigeon-toed girl.
That's it. You're good. You're good. You're good.
Let Dustin pull you with his winch.
Time to finish up this day. We're back to the fire road and we're all heading back to the staging area now. So unless something crazy happens, you guys will see us at the fire road. Flaco?
Man, badass.
Yeah. Although, you know, flips are always bad. Definitely got to see some cool things with Tundra Vic's, you know, pulling him around, and the Super Winch pulling Tundra Vic and the FJ pulling dead weight. Nice stuff. Very nice stuff. Bill!
Ham and cheese?
No, I'm good. Nice tattoo.
Damn, that's big ferro move right there.
I know. Like I said, we'll only be back if there was something crazy happening. Well, what the hell?
Look at the mud flaps though.
What the actual hell?
Look at the mud flaps. Jurassic Park. Damn, look at Jurassic Park right there. Sick.
Look at the Mercury.
Damn, sick. Y'all wild. Look at that fin. Look at the fin. Look at the fin on the top.
I almost hit it.
What? 18!
What's going on today? What is this, the Gambler?
Gambler 500, yeah.
Like legit, or are you practicing?
No, legit.
No shit? That's fucking badass. Props to you guys.
That is dope.
You're gonna be on YouTube.
Alright.
Let's get it. Yeah! Woo! Look at this shit. Ah, you're fucking wild.
Yoda
yeah! Damn. Shit. Look at this. Yeah, hey, y'all just made our group's day. Not gonna lie, this shit is wild. You guys are dope.
6.5 hours later.
Fam, so before I hand it off to Dustin, just want to give out a final shout out for everybody that came through this meet. Obviously we had a couple unfortunate things happen, but it's part of trailing. So big turnout, huge event, and man, we got a couple dingers. I'm not gonna really break into it. We're only at 5% left, so I'm gonna let Dustin wrap it up. But once again, we appreciate you. Make sure you check out Patreon, Facebook, Instagram, all that good stuff. There's a lot of content coming up, and then we'll see you the 28th, Chicken Rock. Smite.
We're all wrapped up here at another Pilot Rock run. Honestly, I don't know if I want to come back here for a while because this trail be kicking our butts all the live long day. It is what it is. This place is kind of cursed. Obviously, you guys saw the rollover. Where's Paul? You guys saw the rollover. It is what it is. You know, these things happen. Luckily, we, you know, had a good team in place. Got him flipped back on all 4 wheels. Made sure he was safe, and made sure we get the vehicle out of there. You know, now in the future, just gonna have to make sure, hey, we're gonna do what we can to help him, get him back on the road with us, and then go from there. As for the rest of the day, I mean, pretty fun day. Slightly uneventful. I mean, we went and hit Lunch Money Hill. A lot of people hit it. Some made it. A lot didn't. Nobody broke down. Nobody, you know, destroyed anything. This is kind of, it was what it was, you know. But either way, it was a pretty fun day. Definitely looking forward to next time getting out on the trails with you guys. We got the Thanksgiving run coming up soon. If you guys don't know about that, hit us up on Instagram. Hit us up on our email. You can see it there. Black Tacoma. Where's the Black Tacoma? She did great today. Loving the Black Tacoma. You guys comment below. Let me know how you feel. But we're all wrapped up here. I want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe to channels. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Patreon. You can also hit us up for shirts at dirtnationoffroad@gmail.com. But other than that, thank you guys. We'll see you again next time.